Let's dive into K-nearest neighbors. It's one of machine learning's simplest, yet most powerful algorithms.
You know how Netflix and Amazon just know what you want? Well, the answer is surprisingly simple. It's all about your digital neighbors. The system just finds users who are like you.
This whole idea is called K-nearest neighbor, or KNN. Think of it like birds of a feather flock together.
So to classify something new, KNN just looks at the labeled data points that are closest to it.
Okay, let's try a quick experiment. We've got a new student, Josh, and we need to classify him.
It's a simple four-step process. We'll plot everyone, add Josh, find his neighbors, and then let them vote. So how do we measure closeness? We use Euclidean distance, basically a straight line between 2 points. After calculating the distance to everyone else, we find these are Josh's 5 nearest neighbors. Now comes the cool part. These 5 neighbors get to vote on Josh's class using majority voting.
And the results are in. With k equals 5, we actually get a tie. 2 votes for Intel, 2 for leader.
See how changing k can totally change the result? That's why picking the right k is so crucial.
And believe it or not, this same idea, finding neighbors and counting votes, powers massive recommendation engines.
So instead of just 2 features, Netflix uses hundreds to find your closest taste neighbors.
So what's great about KNN? It's super simple and surprisingly effective, with no real training time needed.
But it's not perfect. It can get really slow with big datasets and struggles with too many features. Still, for all its quirks, KNN is a simple but really powerful tool in machine learning.
Which leaves us with one last big question. What happens when your neighbors just have bad taste?